Hey Rockhounders, big shout out to my new buddies Jeff and Edmund. I really appreciate the opportunity to visit some of your claims in this area. This claim I'm going to be visiting is one that I walked through a couple years ago and didn't do any prospecting on this one, but I saw some shiny materials poking through on some of the rocks. This was a spot that they explored for graphite. What I saw looked a little bit more like, oh boy, this tough word, it gets me every time. Molybdenite. I don't know. It was really interesting. I was watching Jeff at Off the Beaten Path Crystals the other day. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. And it was really funny watching him try to say that and the little spoof of it that he put into the video on that one. I'm probably going to butcher that a bunch of times today too. All right, this occurrence is really close to the road. I don't know if you can see in the back the mounds that are started already from the excavations. And just on the side of the trail, here's a piece I just picked up. And I'm pretty sure that's molybdenite. Again, we'll just go with moly and not graphite. But that material is all over in here. Another beautiful chunk in here. You can see the moly right there on the ends. I have my foot beside this piece just so you can see the size of it. It's a dull day, so stuff is definitely not sparkling too much. But that piece is just covered. All right, I'm just going around all these mounds right now, just poking holes and just seeing what comes up. This one, it's very, very thick again. The material's quite a ways under. A little shiny poking through there. I really wish I'd brought my brush to clean up. This piece here is just filled. All right, I've only got about 2 hours before I got to head into town for the meeting. But I think this is going to be my first area to dig in here. All right, I am hitting one great big boulder from here all the way over to here. So I think I'm going to shift just slightly this way a little bit more. Just filled again. You can see that piece. That's gorgeous. All right, Jeff, Edmund, thank you so much for letting me come on this claim. Here's a sneak peek of what you're going to see when these are cleaned up. Unfortunately, I got to head into town, but I would love to come here again. Well, I got to tell you, this old graphite occurrence is one of my favorite locations I've been at so far. What a great day out here rockhounding, and I get to go to a rockhounding meeting tonight to top it off. Can't get better than that. I hope you get the chance to get out there and get dirty real soon.
I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop. Shiny rocks, dull rocks, any luster will do. The color doesn't matter, red, white, or blue. Every time I'm out, my head is down. Always searching the ground. Friends think I'm a bit of 'cause I fill my pockets till my pants fall down. I'm a rock hounder, a dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop, 'cause I fill my pockets till my pants fall down. I'm a rock hounder, a dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop. Digging deep in the earth's bones, sweat drips, dirt fills my soul. Hammer strikes, echoes in the dark, searching for crystals in this cold hard rock. Juicy dreams in the dusty pit, fingernails full of dirt and grit. I'm a rock hounder, a dirty rock hounder. I collect minerals, I collect rocks. I have no idea how I'll ever stop. Getting dirty, digging in the dirt, looking for crystals, only finding chert. Bushwhacking, canoeing, no place too remote. Found a nice pocket on the side of a slope. Dirty and tired with a bucket full of